Good morning students. In today's session, we can see some more numericals to solve the work done using line segment and point-to-point integration. Take down this problem. An electrostatic field is given by E is equal to minus 8xy ax vector minus 4x square ay vector plus az vector all per meter. The charge of 6 coulomb is to be moved from point B to point A. The coordinate of point B is 1, 8, 5 and the coordinate of point A is 2, 18, 6. Find the work done in each of the following cases. First is by means of your path selected, y is equal to 3x square plus z and z is equal to x plus y. So using this method, two methods you have to use. One is by using the line segment method, y is equal to 3x square plus z and z is equal to x plus 4. Second one is going to be straight line method from point B to point A. We know that the work done formula W is equal to minus Q integration between, here the charge has to be moved from point B to A. So B to A E dot dl. The value of E is given in the problem. So E is available in the problem and the value of dl is equal to since we are going to solve it by means of a Cartesian coordinate system, it is going to be dx ax vector plus dy ay vector plus dz az vector, because we are going to solve the problem by means of Cartesian coordinate system. First we will solve by means of the path selected. Y is equal to 3x square plus z and z is equal to x plus 4. The work done is given by W is equal to minus Q integration between the limit B to A, because the charge is moving from point B to A, E dot dl. dl is a differential elemental length in Cartesian coordinate system, which is given as dx into ax plus dy into ay and dz into az. So this particular term stands for dl vector, and E, it is given in the problem as minus 8xy ax vector minus 4x square ay vector plus az vector. Here when you use a dot product, ax dot product with ax equal to 1. Ay dot product with ay is equal to 1. Az dot product with az is equal to 1. That is similar ordinates. Suppose if you are having ax dot product with ay or ay dot product with az or az dot product with ax. So when you are using all these three terms, it will be equal to 0. When you multiply, when you use a dot product and do multiplication for these two terms, you will be getting minus 8xy dx minus 4x square dy plus dz. Then you have to use it by means of your straight line segment. Straight line segment means from point B to point A it has to move. Here the ordinate of point B is 1, 8, 5. Ordinates of point A is 2, 18, 6. Therefore, the x ranges from 1 to 2. Y integration ranges from 8 to 18. Z integration ranges from 5 to 6. If you are using this straight line segment from point B to point A. In case, suppose if you are using the first case, if you wanted to move it through the path selected, y is equal to 3x square plus z and z is equal to x plus 4, you have to change y in terms of x or z in terms of y, like that. So when you check over here, y is equal to 3x square plus z. When you differentiate, you are getting dy is equal to 6x plus 1 into dx. So in the place of dy, you can replace it with 6x plus 1 into dx, and you can substitute the integration limit of x over here. Then z is equal to x plus 4. So for A, it is minus 8xy dx. X ranges from 1 to 2, y ranges from 8 to 18, and z ranges from 5 to 6. After substituting by means of the straight line segment, you will get this particular answer. Here when you check over here, using this, y is equal to 3x square plus 4. 3x square plus z is equal to x plus 4. So when you substitute z is equal to x plus 4, you will be getting y is equal to 3x square plus x plus 4. dy is equal to 6x plus 1 into, and changing the limit of y from 8 to 18 in terms of x from 1 to 2 will get here, because 4x square we had here dy, the dy is replaced in terms of x. Since we have x term here, the integration limit also stands for x. After substituting, the first term is with respect to x integration, the second term is also with respect to x integration, and the third term is with respect to z. When you do so, you will be getting the answer as 1530 joules, the work done. Whether you are solving it by means of your line segment or by using this straight line equation, the answer is going to be same. First we have solved by means of the straight line equation. With that, the work done obtained is 1530 joules. Now we can obtain the same problem by means of the straight line path B to A. To obtain the equation of the straight line path, we can use the following plane. Here B value is 1, 8, 5 and A value is 2, 18, 6. Straight line path means you have to use this particular formula. Y minus y1 or y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 is equal to x1 minus x2 divided by, you can use this formula, that is A point, B point is available. From B to A you wanted to move. So y minus yb divided by x minus xb is equal to ya minus yb divided by xa minus xb. In this formula is like this: y minus yb divided by x minus xb is equal to ya minus yb divided by xa minus xb. Using this formula, you will get the straight line path. You can frame the equations like this. And if you substitute here, the first one, y minus 8 equal to 18 minus 8 divided by 2 minus 1 into x minus 1. So substituting the ordinates over here, you will get y is equal to 10x minus 2. From this you can identify what is your dy. It is 10 dx. So in the equation z minus 5, same way for the z minus zb divided by y minus yb equal to za minus zb divided by ya minus yb. Substituting it, you will get the one equation. Now you can substitute it in the original equation. W is equal to minus q integration between the limit 1 to 2 minus 8xy dx, integration between the limits 8 to 18 4x square dy, integration between the limit 5 to 6 into dz. Here you can replace dy and here you can replace it dz, or as such you can keep it. Suppose if your first term will remain as such, in the place of y you have to substitute 10x minus 2 into dx, because from the previously obtained equation y is equal to 10x minus 2 and dy is equal to 10 dx. When we are substituting it in the original equation, we have to substitute y is equal to 10x minus 2 into dx minus integration 4x square. In the place of dy, substituted as 10 dx. Since the complete term has been changed to dx, the integration limit will be for only with respect to x. So x is equal to 1 to 2 plus here dz, z is equal to 5 to 6 dz. After substituting, you will get the answer as 1530 joules. So for the same problem, whether you are going to solve it by means of your straight line method or line segment method, then both of them is going to reflect the same answer. So in any of the way we can solve the problem. Thank you students.